Hi, today I'm going to go over what is Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's an online service that allows users to discover and save visual content, primarily in the form of images and videos, to their virtual pin boards. It was founded in 2010 by Ben Silbermann and has since become a popular platform for people to find and organize inspiration for various interests and projects. You can find here we have ideas for you, popular on Pinterest, different categories you can search by, and just about anything really. Pins, users can pin images. So for example, here's a pin. You can pin images to Pinterest. You can save images to your boards and many different other options. Boards, Pinterest users can create boards to customize and organize their pins. For each board, you can be dedicated to specific topics or themes, such as home decor, recipes, fashion, DIY projects. To do this, you'll go to your profile, you have saved, and there will be plus. See. There we go, here's your plus to create a pin, ideal pin, and a board. You can discover content. Users can explore, discover new content by searching keywords. Or following the users with similar interests, or browsing the different categories, which I've gone over. Repinning and liking. Users can repin, share pins from other users to their own board, or like them to show appreciation for the content. Personalization. Pinterest uses algorithms to suggest pins and boards based on users' interests and previous interactions on the platform. Lastly, shopping. Pinterest also offers shopping features, allowing users to discover and purchase products directly from pins that include shopping links. So let's see if we can find one here. It's normally got a tag on it. Yeah, well, you can go play around for yourself, see what's happening. Pinterest is often used for inspiration, planning, and creative projects, making it popular among individuals for ideas related to home improvement, fashion, beauty, cooking, and many other topics. It's available as a website and mobile app, making it accessible and on various devices.